Today I'm going to show you our garden and what we're going to do. We are amending our soil. We are hauling some mulch to put on top of our garden. We tilled this last week and it rained and rained and rained, so we had to let the rain stop and dirt settle a little bit. So we're piling, it's about a 9-inch deep mulch. We got this mulch free from our friend. They cut some trees down off their properties and they also chipped it, and so it's nice. It's nice to have in your garden. That way you don't have to weed, and eventually it will also help nourish your soil with the organisms that help decompose the mulch eventually. So that's why you have to keep adding it. And we have a truckload here, obviously, and we're going to add more. This section here, in the fall of last year, we added leaves. But this year we're going to till it in, so it will incorporate into the soil. So that would be best. That way it loosens the soil and it will incorporate. I mean, we don't have to do it that way, but it would be better so that it would be easier and quicker. And then after that, we don't have to till it. It'll be a no-till garden. But this is the first time that we put a lot of leaves here and pile leaves. But because before we used to just plant clover, but last year we did dump a whole bunch of leaves here. Pile of leaves. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna till it and then we're gonna put mulch on top of it. This portion here of our garden, it's also tilled, and we're gonna put also mulch, but we'll probably do it later. But so far, this is the update of our garden, and this is middle of April. This is April 7th, and we still have a lot to do, and we're adding more. And this is a lot of work. Thankful for help the family and friends are giving us. So again, this is the update. We'll see how it works, how it looks later, and I'm sure, and I look forward to the less weeding for sure.